Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you a brow tutorial playing with some new products from Benefit Cosmetics. So yeah, let's dive into the video. Now these are the new products that Benefit Cosmetics recently launched. There are two kind of like conditioning products that really treat your brow hairs, and there's one makeup product. So I'm going to start with this product, which is called the Hubba Brow Enhancing Serum, which you can use like before applying your makeup. You just have to let it sit for a few minutes, or you can just use it before you go to sleep. But what this will do, it promises to improve the appearance of your brow volume in just 4 weeks. Your brows will look fuller and healthier over time. I can't wait to see the result in a few weeks. I have been using it for I think around 6 days now. And I just can't wait to see what it will do at the long run. I especially at the front of my brow don't have like a lot of volume, so hopefully that will change. But I was surprised that it actually worked really well underneath foundation as well. So if you're that person that forgets to do it at nighttime, maybe try to do it before your makeup. So after that, I just let it sit for a few minutes. I brushed through my brow hairs just to kind of put them in place. Then the next product I'm going to use is this new brow powder, which is called the Goof Proof Brow Powder, and I'm using it in the shade 3.5. I personally love brow powder because it gives a nice matte finish and it just looks really soft on the brows. And I just start with kind of like making those like motions upwards to kind of fake those fake hairs. Then after that, I'm gonna apply more, and I'm kind of going more like towards the middle part of my brow, but I'm just using a really light hand and not too much product on my brow, because you can always go back in with more, but I just like to go in at the beginning with just a little bit product and just slowly build it up by going in with more and more of the product. But like I said earlier, I just love brow powder because it just gives a really soft and natural effect. And if you have combination or oily skin, I feel like powder on the brows also kind of mattifies the skin. So especially when you take pictures, you're not gonna see like this oily sheen on your brow. It just looks really nice and matte, which I personally really like. So now I'm focusing on the tail and I'm just kind of following the natural shape of my brow. Not applying too much, like I said earlier. I'm going for that soft brow effect. Like back in the days, I used to really like those super bold brows, but the last couple of years I've really been into more of like a natural brow. And for that, if you do not know what kind of product to use, I feel like you're always safe using powder. You can't really go wrong with that. So now I'm going to go in with the Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow Duo Pencil. I'm using the matte side. It also has like a shimmery side, but I'm personally really loving this one, and it has this like soft pinky undertone. I don't know why I'm not using this product more often, because it just gives a really beautiful highlight effect underneath the brow. I actually used to use this, I believe, in one of my first videos that I ever uploaded on YouTube, and I used to be obsessed with this also to apply in my waterline. But I haven't used it in a while, and after using it for this video again, I just kind of re-fallen in love with it because it's just so nice. So now to set my brow hairs in place, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter, which is really nice. It's just like a clear brow gel, and it will just kind of make your hair stay in the place where you want it to be. So when I apply it, I always kind of brush my hairs a little bit upwards, so this will kind of mimic the appearance that my brows look a little bit fuller. And I believe it also makes your brows like more long wear, if I'm not mistaken. So don't be afraid to also kind of like press it against the skin, so it also kind of sticks on the skin, if that makes sense. So that was the end result. So now it's time for the nighttime version. So first I just showed you how I do my brows. Now I'm going to show you how to remove it. So I'm using this product, which is also from Benefit Cosmetics, which is called the POREfessional Get Unblocked Cleansing Oil. And I just used this little cotton, I don't know how you call it, cotton, you know what I mean, something to remove your eye makeup. And I was just shocked how easily this removes my makeup. It's very oily, so you definitely want to use another cleanser after this. But if you want to quickly remove your eye makeup without having to rub a lot, this was really easy. It just took it off so easy. Then now last but certainly not least, I used the new Wow Soft Brow Oil from Benefit, which will keep your hair soft and conditioned. So it's really nice if you wake up. Sometimes I have my hairs like going all directions, but this will just help make your brow hairs more soft. It has sunflower oil, argan oils, apricot oil, castor oil. It has a lot of oils to help your skin around your brows feel more comfortable, but also your hairs will look more conditioned and just more healthy in general. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope you all like my brow routine using these new products from Benefit Cosmetics. Let me know what product you are most excited for that they recently launched. For my Dutch followers, it's now available at Douglas, but I'm sure if you live somewhere else, it's available at all stores where they normally sell Benefit Cosmetics, so definitely check it out if you're interested in it. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!